Hi, I'm Bobby. Today we're going to be talking about bulk editing work orders. Let's say you want to send a message to all technicians that currently have scheduled work orders for your company. Very easy to do. What you're going to want to do is open up the list view of your dashboard. So you can see here I'm looking at scheduled work orders in the list view. Down below is our bulk action edit button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of my scheduled work orders. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to select the edit button. And this is going to pop open our bulk actions editor. As you can see, we have lots of different bulk actions that you can complete at Cloudwork Pro here. You can remove tasks, remove all documents, add messages, which is what we're going to do, add notes to all work orders, documents, replace tasks, replace documents, lots of different actions that you can do in bulk. Like we mentioned, we're going to bulk add messages to all of our scheduled work orders. So I'm simply going to come here and select the add message button. We'll enter in what I want to message all of my technicians that currently have a scheduled work order with my company. And then we're simply going to select add work order messages. There's going to be a confirmation here that we're actually adding messages to 5 total work orders. And we're going to say, yes, let's do it. Okay, we did just receive a message that said the bulk action has started. If you come down here, there is a tool here so you can see the status of your bulk action. So we're going to click on this button and you'll see this action has now been completed. So let's go take a look at one of our work orders that's currently in scheduled status. We'll go to the Messages tab. And now you can see here that this message has been added to this particular work order that's in scheduled status. Also, all of those technicians have received a message via text or push notification or email that you have added a message to their scheduled work order. So very easy to do bulk actions at Cloudwork Pro. As always, let us know if you guys have any questions. Thank you.